okushabaho kanisa ya St Mark's Church of Uganda Mutoma kwayebembera Reverend Emmanuel Nsimarahanga Kasimbazi kandi yayebembeza enjiri yo kwikiriza hamwe no kusingura
umuhekaro bamwakira ubahereze kumwakira urwo kubanza twareba na shamba kora byo bya bintu bikorerwa umuhekaro urwa kabiri yabuzwe buzo byinji ebyabene nabuzubwa bakumubuza biyita umukama witu obo bushoborozi ubwo nubwo rukozesa no bwihankana nawe yababuza ati bisho umukumbuze byo byona okubatizwa kwa Yohana ko karugangahi
abinja bahikaha kushaboku bahaburwa kwebembeza rukundo
urukumanya rwakata kumpagira n'ukurenyo yirukabwa abo kubana bishop akashoborera wando bijayo akusima yabuza iwo kubira na hagiro biza kuzira mushangoje umutayine rate hagiro wakwenda
omugani makuru obwensiyoneri kujaguza ekiro kya Pasika omu district ya Kisoro aha kanisa ya St Andrews Cathedral Seseme omuri Muhabura Diocese Godfrey Mbitse yashaba bikiriza okuguma nibareeba okufa kwa Yesu Kristo nkakikuru kandi beyongyera okwetiisa.
That's what we are memorizing today. Jesus' resurrection is the key to the Christian faith because since he resurrected and he's the only one who have our hopes and trust. He's the one who created us. What he says will come true.
Bishop Mbitse nagira ngo kuzoka n'akamanyiso ko kwereka ngo sitane nasingurwa ogu yashaba bikirizo kwiha amasiko mbi y'obutungi bwensi ngo ebyensi nibiwaho mangu.
So Jesus is our living hope. Yesu niyo byiringiro byacu uko yazutse natuzazuka mu gihe cy'aho tutakiri kuri isi.
I pray that people will have to have a reflection on their relationship with God in Jesus Christ.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ben Moz na Kate atuzarire.